We are going to make some bomb ass cinnamon rolls. Like fire. Okay. What do we got? So we have a cup of warm milk. We're going to dump into this bowl right here. And then just 1 package of active yeast we're going to put into the warm milk. And we're going to give that a quick whisk and then set it aside. And we do want the milk warm to get the foam. If it's too hot, you're not going to get the foam. All right, we're going to set that aside.
Does that maybe activate the yeast?
It does. You're helping me, babe. I'm not the chef. I'm not the chef. Okay, we have 4 cups of flour. We're going to dump in half a cup of sugar, teaspoon of salt, a 1/3 cup of softened butter, and then 2 eggs.
Over easy?
Yeah, and we're gonna whisk this up and...
Take a little break. Backstreet back, all right, what's next?
All right, so we got it all mixed. Now we're just going to dump this mixture into the yeast and the milk.